Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. In this episode, we're diving into a fantastic word that's perfect for adding precision to your descriptions. Our word of the day is adjacent. Adjacent is a C1 level adjective, which means it's a great word for advanced English learners to know. It means next to or very close to something. This word is especially useful when you want to describe locations, objects, or even abstract concepts that are closely connected. Let's start with some synonyms for adjacent. A common synonym is nearby, as in park is nearby, just a short walk from here. Another one is adjoining, as in the hotel room has an adjoining bathroom for extra convenience. You could also use neighboring, which works well in sentences like, we visited the neighboring towns during our trip. These words all share the idea of closeness or proximity. Now for some antonyms of adjacent. A useful antonym is distant, as in the nearest gas station is quite distant, so fill up before you leave. Another opposite would be remote, often used to describe far-off places, as in they live in a remote village in the mountains. These words emphasize separation or lack of closeness, which is the opposite of what adjacent conveys. So, how can you use adjacent in everyday life? Imagine you're giving directions. The coffee shop is adjacent to the bookstore. Or maybe you're arranging furniture. Let's place the chairs adjacent to the table for easy access. It's also common in more formal contexts, like in urban planning. The new parking lot is adjacent to the main office building. Whether in casual or professional settings, adjacent is incredibly versatile. Here are a few more sentence examples for you to practice with. The garden is adjacent to the house, making it easy to access from the kitchen. The two classrooms are adjacent, so students can move between them quickly. Their office is adjacent to the conference room, which is very convenient for meetings. That wraps up today's episode on the word adjacent. To recap, adjacent means next to or very close to something. Some synonyms include nearby, adjoining, and neighboring, while antonyms include distant and remote. I hope this word helps you add precision and clarity to your English conversations. Before we go, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using adjacent and share it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It helps others find the show and learn along with us. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word, and I'll see you next time.